1989 Chevy Suburban, all the way from Detroit. He just picked it up about a month ago, and he's been watching our channel for a long time, and he came from Memphis and said, I want these guys to take care of our exhaust. And that's what we did for him. Really beautiful car. It's been professionally done by an 89-year-old guy that does a lot of cars for Barrett Jackson. That's what he was telling me earlier. So anyways, when we got done on it for him, there's the factory downpipes on each side. Then it had a massive catalytic converter, like one of those biscuit ones right there, as you guys can see, pancakes. We cut it off and put a high flow in its place, 3-inch pipe. Then we did custom duals all the way back, Y pipe straight, there, all the way back, on each side, as you guys can see in there, into 4-inch double wall tips, there, and there, as you guys can see, right there, right there. There's the dual job right there. There's the old muffler that came off of it and the tailpipe. There it is after, really beautiful. It's got a 350 in it. And like always, guys, if you like our work, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and sharing is caring. So make sure you share. Share, share, share. Let you guys hear it in a second. That sounds so good. Oh, that's beautiful. There's sound decibels. Again. 111. There's the other side. Again. Really got a nice, beautiful two-tone color. Paint job. 10 on red. Think? Let us know. I like it. It's deep. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Yeah, but again. Enjoy, sir. Okay. Have a safe drive home. Now you can actually enjoy the ride home. Yeah. He's driving all the way to Memphis, guys. I love it. Sounds so good. Hope you guys like it.